All right, guys, I have something I think is ridiculously cool today. I was sent the Samsers foldable Bluetooth keyboard with touchpad. This is a full-size wireless keyboard. It's got USB-C charging, and it's Bluetooth. It also has an actual full mouse pad on here. So what we're gonna do, I want to just show you this real quick. It also has a stand for your phone or tablet if you want to use that. But I'm going to switch from my normal routine and I'm going to show you guys a view of me using this on my computer so you can see how easy it is to use. A couple of things I want to show you. Look at this. Look how easy that is to fold up. Let's cut to the POV so you guys can see how this works. All right, guys, so here's the device itself. That's how easy it is to close and open up. So the number one thing I want to say is, as far as people that travel a lot, this thing is amazing. Like I love how cool it feels on your fingers, but also just how easily it folds up like that. There's something really special about it. Again, you have this that allows you to, now I am using my phone to record this, so I can't actually show you, but basically, all that is a place to put your tablet or phone if you're typing. Now, the only real thing we need to be concerned about is how do we pair this? So according to this, you can't really see it super well, but basically FN plus C is pairing mode. So that's what we're going to hit right now. FNC. And that should open up pairing on my computer. Let's see. There it is. So we got Bluetooth 5.1 keyboard, and I'm just going to connect to that. We are connected, and it's even giving me a keyboard. Actually, you know what? Let's just show you. It's giving me a keyboard instruction assistant. So you can see it effortlessly knows what it is on my Mac, and it's teaching me about it. Let's just go ahead. Look at that. We're in there and we're typing. So I'm just randomly thinking of some things and typing them out. I can tell you, okay, and my mouse is working. I just want to prove that to you guys because I feel like that's probably something you're going to be wondering about. That's me. That's me. So this thing works flawlessly. I would say, here's what I would say. I would say this is for anybody who wants an actual legit traveling Bluetooth keyboard that can pair with your phone, with your tablet, or with your computer. And it's got an actual mouse pad on it that is, look at what it does, dude. I mean, the value of this is crazy. I think, in my personal opinion, the last thing I want to show you is it easily just has this little bag. So I am beyond impressed with this. I'm excited to be able to use this myself with my phone when I'm traveling. This is something I can actually keep in my gym bag with me. I do a lot of I have a lot of idea journals that I do. So this is going to be super helpful to me. But to me, anyone who's like a business traveler, you're going to love this. Or if you're just like a writer, this is just something that makes writing on your phone, tablet, or computer effortless.